Is it time to change the spark plugs in your vehicle? Is it necessary to replace spark plugs if the vehicle is operating without a problem? What do spark plugs even do? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center.
And I'm Stephanie, and these are some really great questions.
Okay, well, let's first and foremost understand that spark plugs have two functions. What are they, Steph?
Yes, Mom, what are they? Because all I know is that my vehicle has spark plugs.
Okay, well, that's good. But spark plugs ignite the fuel and air mixture in the combustion chamber. And number two, they remove the heat from the combustion chamber and transfer the heat to the cooling system.
Ah, I got this. So, if your vehicle spark plugs are faulty, then one, your vehicle may not move, hesitate, or be hard to start. Two, you may hear rattling, pinging, or a knocking noise.
Not good.
Three, poor performance such as sluggish.
Ugh, don't want that.
And four, poor fuel economy.
Wow, that was excellent. And did you know that spark plugs can wear out from the vehicle being driven only short distance, or high mileage vehicles, or engines that consume oil between the oil changes?
So, have your spark plugs been checked for their condition? If you experience any problems that I mentioned before, also check your owner's manual or stop into our shop and find out when your manufacturer recommends the replacement of the spark plugs.
Good idea, because spark plugs vary in time for replacing them. It can go 30,000 miles up to 100,000 miles for those long life iridium spark plugs. That's what you have in your hand, by the way.
Yeah.
Know the maintenance schedule for your spark plugs. The difference can be having your vehicle operate smoothly and reliable.
A continuous ignition is what keeps your vehicle moving on the road. Thank you for watching, and like us on Facebook.
Of course, Steph, don't forget, share the information so that everybody has a smooth running vehicle.